Hi everybody, my name's Henry Weeks and welcome to our new video channel. My company is EOS Homes and we primarily build custom homes here in the Northwest. We're sitting in one of our custom homes that we're building presently. What we're going to be doing in the next 6 months is showing you the whole entire process of building a custom home from the ground up all the way to the finish, and giving you lots of good knowledge on building practices. So yeah, we just wanted to welcome you all and hope that you'll continue watching.
Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm Henry's sidekick. We try to build a good house, stand behind it, square corners, that kind of thing.
Level.
Plumb. Yeah. Hopefully you'll learn something. It'll save you some time.